One of our top picks in London, located opposite Hyde Park, the Westbourne Hyde Park Hotel is housed in a beautifully restored 19th-century Victorian property, a 3-minute walk from Lancaster Gate Tube Station and a 6-minute walk from Paddington Tube Station. The hotel offers studios and one-bedroom suites that feature Hypnos beds, smart TVs, fully equipped kitchenettes and a working area with a desk. All one-bedroom suites also offer a lounge area. The Westbourne Hyde Park has a W bar lounge as well as a 24-hour reception team along with a daily maid service. The hotel is located a 1-minute walk to Hyde Park and it is an 18-minute walk from Oxford Street and Marble Arch Tube Station. Just across the Hyde Park are Kensington, Knightsbridge, Buckingham Palace and the Royal Albert Hall. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.